chasing down looters and other people committing violence and setting fires.
This is one of the stores that got looted over the weekend. You can see what a mess it is.
The needles, the hypodermic needles are back.
You're being observed by a live agent. All activities are being recorded.
You are in a protected area and you must leave immediately.
We are witnessing a man with a knife attacking a woman in the northwest corner of the lower level of the parking garage at Elwood Estates. Please send units immediately.
The police have been notified of your unpermitted presence. I'm speaking to the male carrying the packages running off property.